back to my channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a wonderful, beautiful day today. Today I'm doing very well. It is freezing cold outside, so I'm snuggled up in my long sleeve comfy shirt and just chilling around the house. So again, hope you guys are doing wonderful and staying warm. If it is cold where you are, what is the weather like where you are? I'm always curious about what the weather's like in different parts of the world or different states. So I would love to know what the weather is like where you all are. But in today's video, we have an unbagging, of course. Today we have my Yes Oh Yes bag. If you do not know, Yes Oh Yes is a monthly subscription. It is $14.99 a month, and then you have to pay shipping. So I think altogether it comes out to be like $18 or $19, I think. But I absolutely love this bag. It has never disappointed me. So let's get into this bag and see what we got. And I don't know any of the spoilers. I haven't seen anything. These things are always so hard to open. It's like the world's stickiest glue. Okay, let's see if I can find the little card. Here it is. And the theme this month is Yes Oh Yes, Girls Can. And here's the little card for this month. It is super cute, and it has all of the items that is in our bag on the back with their values. So we will read that as we go along. And let's just dig right in and see what we pull out. The first thing I'm pulling out is by Sormay, I think is how it's pronounced. Treatment Cosmetics. This is a brow lift. It is a brow highlighting pencil. So here is the little box for it. And this little guy retails for $22. So it's $22 for this brow highlighter. We'll get it out of this little hole. And here's the packaging. It is just like a cream color with a silver cap on it. I think it's pretty cute, pretty simple. So we will see. Oh, there we go. So here is the highlighting pencil. I can swatch it, but I don't know if we'll be able to see it on camera. Oh yeah, well maybe. It is just a light color to accentuate your brow bone. So I'll definitely be giving this guy a try. So that's the first thing. The next thing is stuck in the bag. Oh, no. Oh my god. Oh, I almost had it. Okay. The next thing, why is this so, okay, is in this box, and this is Glow by Mirabella. And I really love the packaging. I like the ombre effect here. And this is a mineral highlighter, and this is $42. That is super expensive for a highlighter. So here is the highlighter, the little packaging, and this little thing just slips off like that. And on the inside, it says Swirling Color Radiant Skin on it. And there is the packaging on the outside. And then it slides out. Ooh, that is beautiful. Okay, so here is the highlighter. It is absolutely stunning. It is very shimmery, and I love how it looks. It's like a ripply effect, how it's pressed. It's very pretty. Super smooth. Ooh, blinding. Here it is on my finger, and then we will just swatch it here. It is very, has a lot of little glitters in it. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that on camera. It's right here. There we go. Right here. It is very pretty. I absolutely love highlighters, so I'll definitely be giving this a try. And I really do like their packaging and how the product itself looks like little rippling water. So there is the highlighter. All right, going back into the bag, the next thing I'm pulling out is a brush. And y'all know I love getting brushes in subscription boxes because I'm too cheap to buy them. This is a BK40 oval shadow brush. And here's the brush. It just has a black handle, and then the brush itself is very soft. And this little brush retails for $19. That is why I never buy brushes on their own, because again, I'm too cheap, so I love getting them in subscription boxes. So it is very soft. It'd be good for, it's kind of big for eyeshadow, I think, but it'd be good for maybe highlighting or contouring the nose. So I would definitely be using this guy. The next thing I'm pulling out is also stuck in the bottom of the bag. Why can't I get this out of here? Oh, there we go. Okay, this is by Beauty Creation. This is Unicorn Tears Liquid Highlighter. And here's the packaging. It looks very shimmery and bright. And this retails for $17. So, and I think we just got like a liquid highlighter or something like this in BoxyCharm. So we will see if I can get this off of here. Oh, goodness. Oh, there we go. Alrighty. So now we got it out of its little packaging. And here is the highlighter. It is very, well, there's none in there. It is pretty liquidy. I would just put a little bit on the back of my hand and we'll squish it around and see how it works. So here it is on the back of my hand. And then we will just squish it around. And it's very soft. It kind of feels like a powder. So it feels like it turns into a powder. But here it is on the back of my hand. It's really hard to see. There we go. But it does have a nice sheen and glow to it. So I'll definitely be using this. I don't see a lot of really little sparkles in it. It's pretty much just like a glow. So it'd be good for your cheekbones or to highlight your eyebrow or your collarbone. So I would definitely be using this guy. And the next thing, this is the last thing, and then we have some faux wrap. And we pull it out. And this is the Aesthetica Contour Lip Series. And we will get it out of its little packaging. Why won't you get off my hand? Okay, so we pull it out of the packaging. And here is the outer packaging for it. I always love Aesthetica's packaging with the little lips right here. And then we slide it out. There's something in there. A little booklet. And this shows all of the possibilities, well, some of the possibilities, that the shades that you can make with this palette. And then the palette itself has the same exact packaging as the outer slip cover. And we open this up and, ooh, got another, another paper. So here's this little thing. It has some lips on it and how to, you know, make different looks with it. And then here are the shades. They're absolutely beautiful. I don't really use cream like lip stuff, but I would definitely give it a try. Let me wipe off what I have on now and we'll try something out. I just have some like lip gloss on. And by the way, this is my husband's shirt that I have claimed to be my own for wiping off makeup during my videos. Okay. All right, and it does have a mirror with a little safety shield on it. And I think we are just gonna get, let's see here. Does it come with a little brush? What is this? Oh, they all fell out. So it does have 3 lip, or no, this is a little applicator to put on the lip product. And then we have some lip liners, and we have this one here, and we will just swatch it on my hand. And this one is called Swag, and it is like a purpley maroon color. So that is Swag. The next one is called Bombshell, and it is a redder color. It's right there. So there is, what did I say this was called? Bombshell. The next one we have is called Stalker, and we'll just swatch it right next to it. And it is like a purpley brown color right here. I can't remember which side I started on. So there's that one. That's called Stalker. And then the last one is called Party Girl, and it is, whoo-hoo, it is a bright pink color. And there is Party Girl. It showed up a little more purple on camera, but it is a bright pink. So those are the lip pencils. And then we have the actual lip creams up here, and they're all the shades. And I think what I want to do is take Swag and just kind of put it on my lips here. a little bit, outline it. I'm horrible at outlining lips, so I'm sorry if this looks terrible in the end. So just line the lips. I like how this has a mirror. Sorry, this is taking me forever. Oops. I don't think my lip's up there. I am terrible at makeup and lining stuff. Okay. So that is terribly. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but I did outline my lips. And then in the center of, or my, the rest of my lips, I think I'm going to take this brown shade right here. And I'm just going to use the little applicator that came with it. Ooh, they're pretty creamy. And I'll just fill in my lips with it. They are super creamy. I'm not sure how they're going to dry down, but they do feel super creamy though. I really like that. I did a terrible job at outlining my lips. Okay, so here I'll zoom you guys in just a little bit. I can figure it out. Here is the lip color. I'm super bad at putting on lip stuff, so I'm very sorry if it looks terrible. But it did go on really smooth, even with this little brush that it came with. So I really do like this color also. So I'll definitely be using this. And maybe it would apply different if I did it with my finger. Let me zoom you guys back out here. There we go. So I really do like this palette. I would definitely be using it and grabbing for it. I just have to remember that I have it because a lot of my lip stuff, like I forget that I have because I don't wear lipstick every day. So I would definitely remember that I have this and, try to remember to grab for it more often. So that is the Aesthetica Lip Contour Palette, which I really like. And this retails for $45. So that's really good. And that is all that is in our Yes Oh Yes bag. And the total retail of this bag is $145, as you can see down there at the bottom. So that's really good for like a $18-ish bag a month to have $145 worth of products in it. So I'm really excited. I absolutely love this bag. It is one of my favorites. It's right up there with my BoxyCharm and my Ipsy Luxe. So I would love to know all of your thoughts and opinions down below about this box. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Do you think it's worth the money? I would love to know. I would love to know what you guys think. So with that being said, that is all that I have for this unbagging. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and hit the little bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!